Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Power Grid. Yes, dear students, let's check it out. When you will go to the official website of Power Grid, here you can see recruitment of trainee engineer electrical for Power Grid Energy Service Limited PESL through GATE 2024. Yes, and the application window is already open, means from today itself. So 16th October to 6th November you can apply. And here they show you click here to log in and apply. So register, login or apply. This is the option. But I am going to discuss about here the detailed advertisement, ki what is the eligibility criteria, how to apply and everything. So let's check it out. The official update from the Power Grid. So recruitment of trainee engineer electrical for Power Grid Energy Service Limited PESL 100% subsidiary of Power Grid they mention. Okay. So let's check it out the position. So Power Grid is looking for the bright and energetic engineering graduates to join its 100% subsidiary Power Grid Energy Service Limited PESL as a trainee engineer electrical for its various offices across the country. So trainee engineer is the post. Total number of vacancies are 47. They mention the category wise. Okay, for unreserved, for EWS they mention the number of vacancies also. So overall number of vacancies are 47 for electrical only. Okay, so when I'm coming to this one, they mention the criteria also. Please check it out. Job specification, post name is electrical engineer. Essential qualification is BE Tech in electrical discipline with minimum 60% marks. And discipline is electrical power, electrical and electronics, power system engineering, power engineering students can apply here. What is the eligibility criteria? Valid GATE score of 2024. So valid score in GATE 24 candidate should have appeared in the corresponding paper of GATE 24 as shown in the following table. The paper code should be EE, okay, trainee engineer electrical for qualified in the same qualifying marks as declared by the GATE 24 organizing body shall be considered. Okay, so upper age limit they mention here 28 years as on the 6th November. Pay scale is also mentioned here. Selected candidate shall undergo training for the period of 1 year. They will be placed in the pay scale of 30,000 to 1,20,000 plus IDA, HR and perks at 12% of the basic pay per month during the training period. On successful completion of 1 year training, they will be placed as assistant engineer at EO level in the pay scale of 30,000 to 1,20,000 IDA. Okay, so in this you will get all these basic pay, adherence allowances, prerequisites, so everything you will get. This is a permanent job first of all. Okay, service agreement bond is there. So this is mentioned application fees. Yes, so payment of application fees non-refundable rupees 500 wherever applicable. SC, ST, PWBD, ex serviceman, DSM candidates are exempted from the payment of application fees. For others, need to pay rupees 500. For detailed instructions regarding payment of the application fees, click here. So they mention this one and you can check it out. Okay. Relaxation and concession, they mention here. Please check it out. Who is, what is the upper age limit and who will have the relaxation. Reservation rules also mention according to the rule of Government of India. Selection process, as I already told you, the selection process consists of normalized marks obtained out of the 100 in the corresponding paper of GATE 24. Okay, behavioral assessment, group discussion and personal interview. So they will have, first of all, they will shortlist you on the basis of GATE scorecard, then group discussion and personal interview will be there for the final selection. Okay, so if I will talk about the next one, here they mention also. Yeah, this is. So get marks, get 24 marks out of the 100, 85% weightage, group discussion 3% weightage and personal interview 12% weightage is there. And then the final merit list will be there for the final selection. Okay. So, acha, no GATE 23 means no prior score is required. 23 or prior is not valid, only GATE 24 marks or score. Score means normalized marks out of the 100 is required. Okay. So health standards they mention, more instructions are mentioned. You can check it out and you can see the details. Bacho, if it is required, which documents you need to submit. Okay, every detail you can check here. They mention some general instructions also, so you can check this one. Okay, and I'm coming to this point, which is the online application already started from the today. Okay, it will start from the 17th. So 16th October it started. Okay, 17 hours. 17 hour means 5 o'clock it will start. Okay, last date of receipt of online application and online payment will be 6th November. So from 16th October to 6th November, you can fill the form. You can just submit your form and you can pay the fees also. Cut-off date for eligibility criteria, whatever you are looking for, every eligibility criteria, cut-off is 6th November only. Okay, dear students, this is the official website. You can go here as I show you here. It is showing you the option also. Click here to register, login. If I will go, so is it showing me the option? Yes, this is showing me. So I need to register candidate login. You need to log in and you can start filling the form also. All right. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.